Okay, guys, I was going to wait and do this tomorrow night, but I'm so excited I couldn't wait. So, this is the new kit that I just got, and it's called Waiting for the Time. I thought it was called What Are You Waiting For? It's called Waiting for the Time, and I'm just going to do a basic unboxing. I'm going to show you some of the details, and that's about it. Here's some of the flooring, some of the wall art, some more of the flooring and cabinets and artwork and that sort of thing. So, like I said, I'm not going to do an entire unboxing until I have finished Granny's attic, which will be tomorrow night. Here is a front view, and it seems like my laptop light is really dark. I don't know what's up with that, but we'll see how the video turns out. Anyhow, this is a walkthrough of the instructions and everything we'll need to do. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Cake bar. There's little slices of watermelon. There's just so many things in here. The little toilet. I can't wait to show you. But more of the instructions. So those are all there. And it appears to be like a complete. Here's some of the building stuff in order to build the stairwell and windows and whatnot. And then this, oh, I just got so excited when I saw, look at that little tiny toilet. Kind of hard to see, I realize, but look at that. It's just such a tiny little toilet. And then the lighting system, fabric, that's all in this bag. And so I need to hurry up, not hurry, rush, but I need to get finished with Grandma's attic. And this little wood grain stuff goes around, some potted plants, but I'm actually considering getting the real thing, because this is basically just brown crepe paper. So I really feel like I might get a real log the right size. So this is fabric, curtains, upholstery fabric, all of that's in this little bag. So we got all of that, and then inside the box is the construction parts, the actual room build, the plexiglass pieces that will cover it. So that is it, guys. And again, more of the decorations, lights, that sort of thing. I don't know what that green thing is, but I'm pretty curious. I think it's clay. Oh, that might be that's the refrigerator. That's actually the refrigerator. It's just one big piece of, feels like plastic. There's the toilet. There's the bathroom sink. There's some of the light covers. More light covers. There's the little piece of watermelon. It's hard to see, but that's basically the little watermelon slices there. So it's going to be pretty cute. Some more of the little flowers. Everything we need here. And it's labeled C, and A. A, C, C, and I suspect part of this is B. But anyhow, there's the lighting system. And I have yet to actually put a lighting system together on one of these really small builds. The last one was so little and my room is so bright, I just didn't do it. But on this one, we're actually going to do that. So, sometime within the next 2 to 3 weeks, we will actually get going on this. But at that point, it will be a lot of fun. And until then, I'm going to keep it all boxed up and ready to go. I don't want to lose any of the parts. And then I also have a little greenhouse I need to finish. So we've been doing a lot of little mini projects. throughout these next couple of weeks. So I want to put this in a nice safe place. And this is going to be a lot of fun. This may actually be a 2 or a 3 week project yet. I'm not sure. But I would like to finish it up quickly. I don't think that it gives a time. A lot of it's in, I want to say Chinese. Yeah, it's Chinese. It doesn't say how long it, average time. But the glue's in here, everything's in here, and it is this top room right there. So we'll be doing that soon. Okay, guys. At this point, I'm going to tonight post this video, and tomorrow do our regular Wednesday craft session, and I look forward to seeing you then. Good night.